Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In previous video, we learned how the gamma is going to work and what is gamma and what are the key features of gamma. Now, in this video, we are going to learn how to sign in and how we are going to work under the gamma AI tool. First, we are going to launch web browser, that is Google Chrome. Not only Google Chrome, whatever the browser we are having in our computer, we can launch the web browser. So after launching the web browser, on address bar type www.gamma www.gammaai.com. So here you can see an address bar. Here I'm going to type www.gammaai.com. See, as soon we type gammaai.com or gamma.com, then click on search. The gamma interface is going to be open like this. See, this is the interface of gamma. See, as soon we enter into the website of gamma, the interface is going to be open like this. There it is going to ask for sign in. See, sign in is already we have created an account under the gamma. Directly we can enter by using the username and password. See, first we are going to, for the first time if we are using, we are going to sign up. See, by using sign up, we are going to create a login credentials, that is username and password. By using the sign up, we are going to create username and password. Once the username and the password has been created here, directly we are going to select on sign in. And also there is one more option. We can also sign in from the Google account. By providing our Google account, whatever the Google account we provide, for that also we are going to provide the password. By using this login credentials, we are going to enter into the Gamma AI. Okay, now here I am going to provide my Gmail address, that is Canfinity2. Then the password I have already said. I'm going to enter my password. Okay, once the username and the password is given, click on sign in. Okay, as soon we click on to the sign in, the Gamma AI is going to be open. This is the interface of Gamma AI. Now we have entered into the Gamma. If you want to enter, first we are going to sign up. Under sign up, we are going to create our login credentials, that is username and the password. If you don't know to create, directly you are going to sign in by using the Google account. See, you are going to use Google account to sign in directly. See, once you provide Google account, username and the password, directly you are going to enter into the Gamma interface. See, this is the Gamma interface as we discussed in the previous video, that is introduction to Gamma. There already on interface we can see create new from blank and export. See, these are the three different options we are going to get onto the Gamma interface. And also in the left side we can see some of the components. The components are, this is the person, this is the profile, means the person who is going to use. I'm using for the free version, so it is going to display as a free. Then here Gamma shared with you, then sites, AI images. See, these are some Gamma applications. Then we can see here templates, inspiration, themes, and custom fonts and trash. These are all will come under the Gamma components. Now very soon enter into the Gamma. What we are going to do? See here, either we are going to select create a new, or new from blank, or import. So here today we are here to learn how to create a presentation or documents or websites. So what I'm going to do here just I'm going to select create new. Please simply click on create new. As soon we click on to the create new, the interface is going to be open. Okay. In the previous video, we had a discussion that how the gamma is going to work. See, the first option is paste in text. By using this option, we are going to paste the text. The pasting is nothing but we are going to select the content, or we are going to copy the content from some other files or documents or from the internet, and that content we are going to paste it on here by using the paste in text option. And the second option is generate. See, it create a line prompt in a few seconds. Means here we are going to provide the prompt by using the whatever the prompt we are going to provide. Depending on that, the gamma is going to create a presentation, website, or documents. Then import file or URL. The import is nothing but we are going to choose the file from where we are going to get the information. Say for example, the information is there in the internet. If we select the URL, that particular web page, that link if we take and if we paste the link onto the particular generation section, it is going to be generated. See, in these three different applications or options, we are going to generate and create presentation, documents, or